Here I have Unity 2019.3 beta. It's a 0.b10 version. I'm not going to commit this, I'm just trying it out. But I'm happy that OnTriggerEnter is now working again. So for me, the ledge grab and the attack is based on trigger-to-trigger events. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I've made a video a couple months ago where I showed that OnTriggerEnter for trigger-to-trigger events were gone. If I look at my character here, business mail, we have a ledge checker, which is a trigger. Is trigger is checked. And we also have a ledge. And it is another trigger. Is trigger is checked here. And if I look at the script, ledge checker, we have a callback function on OnTriggerEnter, where if two of the triggers are colliding, we trigger the ledge grab. So if I play, here is the ledge grab working. The attack register also uses the trigger system. So I'm happy that it's working again. This is a scene from one of my previous videos, video number 183. I haven't changed anything other than upgrading to Unity 2019.3 beta. And as you can see, the attack register is working fine. But I'm not happy about the fact that Unity even thought about removing trigger-to-trigger events for OnTriggerEnter. I've been using Unity since 2014 or 15, and it's always been there. Sometimes you want to check collision between 2 points and you don't want the physical effects. I felt like removing that was the early signs of Unity becoming too big of a corporation to not care about its users anymore. But fortunately it's fixed in this B10 version, and I hope they keep it that way for the official release. And I do like the fact that the overall interface hasn't changed for years, and it's easy for users to make the transition to the latest versions, while Unity kept on changing underneath with the render pipelines and everything. So overall, I still think Unity is a very good option for indie game developers, and that's all I gotta say for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.